this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2011 LDV G10 van. Stock number is 4015. This shape runs from 4th month 05 to current. This is a 1.9 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. Here we have the bonnet in good condition. We have the radiator grille. Front bar's been damaged in an accident with the left-hand headlight. Left-hand electric mirror with indicator type. Passenger front door has been damaged in an accident. We have the passenger rear sliding door. It's a good private one. It's got a few dents and wobbles in it, but still usable. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch rims. This is the left-hand rear. Has a good tyre. Here we have the left-hand tail light. Left-hand garnish light, or as some people call it, the tail light, the tailgate light. Tailgate, it's a good private, still usable. Has a dent there. Here we have the rear bar, has a few light scuff marks, but still usable. Right-hand rear garnish, or as some people call it, the tailgate light on the right-hand side. Here's the right-hand tail light. Right-hand rear tyre, 16-inch with good tread. Driver's side rear tailgate, sliding door. It's a good private, there's a big wobble. Right-hand front door, insurance. Right-hand door mirror, electric with indicator type. Right-hand front 16-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory grey cloth interior. Driver's side seat has a tear in it. Passenger seat. Passenger sun visor. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. Driver's side sun visor. Factory single stack CD player. Automatic transmission, that's a gear shifter. Factory black steering wheel with audio controls and cruise control, less horn pad and airbag cover and airbag. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus. Thanks for watching this video.